Hello, today we're going to be drawing sadness from inside out. So first off, I'm going to be drawing the head, which is just basically a big circle. We're going to color that in this light blue. Just make it as round as you can. Okay, we're going to move on to her hair. I'm using this stroke brush. I'm using stroke 2. It gives like hair effect and I really like it. So you could do all crazy like that. I'm making one side of her hair longer like this. And it's okay if it goes on her head like that, because I'm going to fix it on later. So I'm going to use the same color skin to fix all the splotchiness. You see how better that looks already? Okay, let me go to stroke brush, and I'm going to go in with a darker color just to give it the depth of layers of hair. Just like that. I'm also going to be going in a darker color to give her some streaks of darker hair, like that. Now I'm going to cover all the splotchiness. Now I'm going to make the eyes. I'm just going to erase 2 big circles in her head. Now I'm going to make the pupils. Now I'm gonna erase 2 little dots in the black pupil. Where is it? No. Like that, you see? That's gonna make it way cuter. Now I'm gonna draw 2 black dots right there in her eye. Try not to make them too big. Let me fix that. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna draw a nose and just make like a squiggle mouth for it to look like she's crying. I'm gonna fill the mouth right in the inside. I'm gonna outline it again for it to look more better. Too big, like that. Kind of looks like an egg. Now I'm gonna make the little tongue. Like that. I'm gonna give it a little like kind of like freckles, like to just make it cuter. I want to make some tears in her eyes. Ooh, wrong color. There we go. Okay. Let me draw her neck. And I'm going to make her gray sweater using the permanent marker. I'm using penup to draw this. I really like this app because it has so many pen options and there's coloring pages. Okay, I'm going to use the water brush. It's transparent, so it can make like little checkered designs. I'm going to outline the sweater in this gray in the pen. I'm going to give her some little tears. Well, lots of tears. I like this one because it's super glittery. I don't think that's a good idea. So here is my sadness drawing.